Hi, I'm Jason Mounts. I'm a dentist in Central Arkansas. I chose Inspired Hygiene because they came highly recommended. The person that recommended them to me, I trust a lot. And so their thought was if you were going to do anything in your hygiene program, you should pick these folks. And if you don't pick those folks, then don't do anything. So I did, and I've been really excited about it. The training process has been really fun. Been a little bit hard, a little difficult, but it's really been great. And the wonderful thing for us is that I noticed just from the training, just from the boot camp, my hygienist going through that immediately I started having a lot more conversations in hygiene rooms with patients about their periodontal problems. And so it's just kind of amazing to me that before these folks even came to the office to help us in person, that just from the videos and the training that we already had a lot of tools that we needed to get things better. So that was great. The other thing is we had two offices, and I wasn't really sure. The two offices are a little different. One's kind of new to me and the other one I've been with for a long time, and I wasn't really sure how that was going to work, if I should include both places or just do the one I was the most familiar with. But I decided to do both for a few reasons. One of the big things that has really helped is just the camaraderie that's happened between the hygienist in the two offices. That's been really fun to see because they've grown their relationships together from what we've done. So that's been great. And then during the training, one of the best parts for me was I was still actually seeing patients, and I had all the hygienists in one location, and they were right across the hall from me. And it was really kind of loud, but in a great way. They were having so much fun. They were laughing, they were cutting up, but they were learning so much, and they were all doing it together. And it was just such a wonderful experience for them, but certainly for me to kind of see how the folks from Inspired Hygiene help them come together and really become a team, even though they were in two separate locations.